I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Flip app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here until you found apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for Flip app or just click on search. Then here at here Flip, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Flip app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.